What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today I'm going to show you filling up this pallet raised garden bed and the material that I'm using. So I had to dig this area out. I had a bunch of stones in there, and then I tried to level it off with a little bit of sand that I had. First I'm going to tap these ends in. So I'll take you over in a second to show you the compost and the peat moss and the vermiculite that I'm using and the ratios. But first, I have a whole bunch of paper bags. I'm going to stick them at the bottom, and a couple egg cartons and other carton materials that will break down and help to hold in some moisture. I'm going to put everything into this bucket. I have my compost, I have my peat moss, and I have my vermiculite, and I'm just going to do 1 gallon of each one and just keep adding it into this pot, mix it up, and then dump it into the new raised bed. Peat moss and vermiculite. When you dump the peat moss and the vermiculite down, you'll end up seeing a lot of dust. Do not inhale that. It's not good for you. So I was adding water to the peat moss and the vermiculite to help incorporate and cut back on how much dust was flying around. So I did 2 of the 1 gallon jugs of each, and then made sure I mixed and incorporated it all. Now I'll add it to the bed. I'm thinking 1 more will get me there. I'm going to lightly pat everything down and then bring it back, and hopefully that'll be the last one. If you want to see how I made the raised garden bed using pallets, click here. Okay, so here is the new raised garden bed that will be for my strawberries. I'm glad you guys were able to come along and check this out. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.